So the purpose of this video is to show all of you how to customize your waiting room in anticipation of our parent-teacher conferences. As you heard in our meeting today, we will be using Zoom platform for those parent-teacher conferences, and as parents come in, they will come into the waiting room and wait for their scheduled time to meet with you. So while they're in there, there's actually a cool little function in Zoom where you can put a custom message into the waiting room, as well as a custom image. So you do this by starting at the Zoom website. The URL up here is zoom.us, and once you plug that in and hit enter, it'll take you to this page. And on this page, we sign in with our Google credentials. So you want to make sure that you're signed in with your Marquette High Google account. And then over here in the menu, we're going to select settings. Now, if you do adjust this for parent-teacher conferences, you'll want to make sure that you come back and adjust your waiting room back to either its standard appearance or to something that's more appropriate for your classroom. You'll see as I click the Customize Waiting Room button, what my waiting room actually looks like for my students. So we do want to make sure that the waiting room is enabled, and then we'll go to this option, Customize Waiting Room. And what it'll show you is what your waiting room currently looks like. So for my classes, I have a message here, please wait, Mrs. Deering will let you in soon. I certainly could keep this for parent-teacher conferences, but I can click this little button and change that message to whatever I want it to be. You can add an image here, so it'll prompt you to bring up some image from your computer. It has to be something that's saved in your computer in order for you to upload it here. Certainly you could change the meeting topic as well, though I think that imports from whatever the meeting topic is in the scheduled meeting that they are joining. So you would probably call that your parent-teacher conference Zoom, and that will show up automatically. And then you can customize the message at the bottom here as well, where you would have 400 characters to put another message in, something like, please wait for your scheduled time, you'll be admitted at the beginning of that time. You know, whatever I guess he wanted to say. I don't know that I would include a message about might possibly be running behind, because I think these scheduled parent-teacher conferences, one of our goals is to really keep them running at a clip and make sure that you are not running over time and keeping people in the waiting room for longer than they are scheduled to be with you. So that's how you can customize that waiting room, so that when parents come in during the night or the day of conferences, that they have a custom message waiting there from you.